How do you know what your home is worth? How do you figure out what your home is really worth? What's the right price to sell for? And if you're buying, how do you know you're making a solid offer? If you're thinking about selling or buying in Wheat Ridge or Arvada, this video is for you. I am Susie Stewartson with the Summit Team. I've been in the real estate business for over 28 years and have helped hundreds of buyers and sellers navigate the pricing process. So I know what it takes to price a home correctly and make a smart offer. Here's what really impacts home value in Wheat Ridge and Arvada: size, condition, location, marketing, and negotiation. Each of these plays a huge role in determining price. Let's break it down. Number one, size. The right comparisons matter. You wouldn't compare a 2,000 square foot home to a 4,000 square foot home, right? That's like comparing a Maserati to a Hyundai. They serve different markets. Appraisers typically compare homes within 200 to 400 square feet of each other, both larger and smaller if there's enough inventory available. If not, they adjust based on size differences. Number two is condition. Upgrades and features matter. Think about cars again. You wouldn't compare a beat-up jalopy to a shiny new luxury car. The same goes for homes. A well-maintained, updated home will naturally be worth more than one that needs a lot of work. Now, when pricing a home, we consider several things. Upgrades: have you remodeled your kitchen, updated your bathrooms? Curb appeal, landscaping, and first impressions matter. Overall condition: it's a move-in ready or a bit tired or a fixer-upper. Location: it's more than just an address. Not all locations are created equal. Factors like proximity to parks, trails, or top-rated schools. Easy access to highways and shopping. Some buyers love it, others don't. Potential nuisances like power lines, traffic noise, railroad tracks, or nearby industrial areas. All of these influence what buyers are willing to pay. Marketing: exposure drives value. Even the best priced home won't sell if no one sees it. That's why professional marketing, including high quality listing photos, video tours, and digital targeted campaigns, is essential. At the Summit Team, we specialize in getting your home in front of the right buyers, ensuring you get top dollar for your property. Negotiation: the final key to maximizing value. The list price is just the beginning. Negotiation can make or break a deal. Buyers want the best deal possible and sellers want the highest price. That's why having an experienced, certified negotiation expert on your side matters. The final thoughts: get the right guidance. It's completely natural to feel like your home is worth more than others. We all have emotional attachments to our homes, but pricing it right, not too high, not too low, ensures you don't lose money or sit on the market too long. Again, I'm Susie Stewartson with the Summit Team, and we're here to provide you with the experience, expertise, and excellence you deserve in Wheat Ridge and Arvada. Think about buying or selling? Let's talk. Give us a call. We'd love to help. And if you know someone thinking about making a move, share this video with them. Make it a great day.